Meaning of dated.
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 Dated. The word dated generally means that something is no longer fashionable or relevant because it belongs to an earlier time. It can refer to clothing, architecture, technology, language, or customs that have become outdated. Something that is dated may be seen as old-fashioned, obsolete, or out of touch with contemporary trends. The term is often used in a negative context and can imply a lack of quality or sophistication. However, something that is dated can also have sentimental or historical value, and some people may appreciate its vintage charm.